Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add a sound on your TikTok content on TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to add a sound in your TikTok content, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok app, you can see all these contents posted by your friends or the people you followed, like this on the same interface. And on this interface you can see the plus button available at the bottom of your screen. On the middle, tap on the plus icon. And guys, I know this is a way to create a content on TikTok, but on the top of your screen you can see there is the add sound button available over here. Tap on add sound, and you can see all these sounds available or provided by the TikTok itself. Now if you want to add another sound, you need to just search for it. Search for like Bazanzi, or you can just go for Alan Walker, and let's search for it. And you can see all these sounds by Alan Walker himself, and you can select the which one matches your vibe to the content and tap on them and tap on tick mark. And you can see on the top of your screen there is the idiom that feels like universe by Alan Walker himself. And the guys, the sound has been added to the content, and if you make the content will play with the Alan Walker style idiom. And the guys, this is how you add a sound on your TikTok account or your TikTok content. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.